Hi viewers, welcome to Interesting Chemistry. Already in the previous sessions, we have discussed atomic and molecular masses. In this session, we are going to see the problems or questions related with atomic and molecular masses. Let us see the first question. 1 gram atom of oxygen is. The four options are 1 gram of oxygen, 16 gram of oxygen, 22.4 gram of oxygen, 8 gram of oxygen. We have known already atomic mass of oxygen. Mass of oxygen equal to 16 AMU. The numerical 16 with gram, we have changed only AMU into gram. If we change AMU with gram, that is equal to gram molecular mass or gram atomic mass or gram atoms. So, that should be equal to 16 gram. So, the answer is option B. Next question. Avogadro number is not the number of atoms in 1 gram atomic weight, of molecules in 1 gram molecular weight, of atoms in 0.012 kilogram of carbon 12, of atoms in 3.2 gram of oxygen. Here Avogadro number is not the number. Among this, which is not having Avogadro number of particles? Avogadro number means 6.023 into 10 power 23. Atoms in 1 gram atomic weight. How many atoms are there in gram atomic weight? The atoms present in 1 gram atomic weight is equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 because mass of 6.023 into 10 power 23 equal to 1 gram atomic weight. So, this is equal to Avogadro number. Next, of molecules in 1 gram molecular weight. This is also equal to 6.023 into 10 power 23 because number of molecules present in 1 gram molecular weight is equal to its Avogadro number. Then of atoms in 0.012 kg of carbon 12. First, let us convert this kilogram into gram. So, it should be multiplied by 1000. So, we will be getting 12 gram. This 12 gram is the gram atomic mass of carbon 12. So, gram atomic mass of substance will be having 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms. So, this also it is equal to Avogadro number. Of atoms in 3.2 gram of oxygen, gram atomic mass of oxygen equal to 32 gram. 32 gram of oxygen contain 0.623 into 10 power 23 but not 3.2 gram. Only in 32 gram 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms are there. But here it is given 3.2 gram. So, it is not the number of Avogadro number. So, this is the option here. Next question. Avogadro number of helium atoms have a mass of. First, we will write atomic mass of helium equal to 4 AMU. Next, gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass of helium equal to 4 gram. Mass of gram atomic is nothing but mass of 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of helium. That is equal to the same 4 gram. So here the question is Avogadro number of helium atom. This is Avogadro number of helium atoms have a mass of 4 gram. So option B is the correct answer. Next question. The mass of an atom of carbon. One carbon atom's mass we have to find out. Here it is given 4 options. 1 gram, 1.99 into 10 power minus 23 gram, 1 by 12 gram, 1.99 into 10 power 23 gram plus 23 gram. Atomic mass of carbon we have known. Atomic mass of carbon equal to 12 AMU. Gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass of carbon equal to 12 gram. Just we have changed the unit. The same numerical is expressed in gram. So, gram atomic mass of carbon equal to 12 gram. What does it mean by gram atomic mass? That is equal to mass of 6.023 into 10 power 23 atoms of carbon, that is equal to 12 gram. So, mass of an atom of carbon equal to 12 gram divided by 6.023 into 10 power minus 10 power 23. 10 power 23, that is equal to 1.99. 12 by 6.023 if we divide, we will be getting 1.99 into this 10 power 23. If we take it into numerator, it will be become 10 power minus 23. So option B is the correct option. Next question. 1 AMU is equal to, first option 1.00758 gram, second option 0.000549 gram, C, option C 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 gram, D option 6.02 into 10 power minus 23 gram. We have already known 1 AMU equal to mass of 1 by 12 of carbon 12 atom. So that is equal to mass of 1 carbon 12 atom divided by 12, because 1 by 12 of carbon 12. So mass of 1 carbon 12 atom divided by 12. We have already known mass of 1 carbon atom is equal to 1 point. In the previous sum we have found out it is equal to 1.99 into 10 power minus 23 gram divided by 12. We will be getting 0.1658 into 10 power minus 23. 1.99 divided by 12, this is the answer, into 10 power minus 23 as such we have written. That is equal to scientific notation. We are going to use scientific notation. So this point has to be moved to this place. So 1.6 Next digit is 8. So we can round off with after decimal 2 digits. So 6 into 10 power. One digit we have moved towards right side. So that minus 1 has to be added. So 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 gram. So option C is the correct. Let us see. Calculate the mass of 2.5 gram atoms of oxygen. Number of gram atoms it is given. We have to calculate the mass of these many gram atoms of oxygen. We know that number of gram atoms equal to mass of the element in grams, mass of the atom of element in grams divided by atomic mass of the element. So here number of gram atoms it is given in the sum. So number of gram atoms 2.5, that is equal to atomic mass of the element. What atom it is? Oxygen. So atomic mass of oxygen is 16. Mass of the atoms of element in gram we should find out. That is equal to mass of element equal to 2.5. This 2 has to be multiplied. 2.5 into 16, that is equal to 40 gram. Calculate the gram atoms in 2.3 gram of sodium. Same formula we can use because question is calculating gram atom. We have to find out the number of gram atom. So the same formula we can use. Number of gram atoms equal to mass of the element divided by atomic mass of the same element. That is equal to mass of the element, it is given as 2.3 gram divided by atomic mass of sodium is equal to 23. So it is equal to 0.1 gram atoms. Calculate the mass of 1.5 gram molecules of sulfuric acid. The same formula, we know that number of gram molecules equal to mass of the substance in grams divided by molecular mass of the substance in grams, that is also in grams. Let us find out molecular mass of H2SO4. That is equal to, what is molecular mass? The sum of atomic masses of all the elements present in the molecule. Here 2 atoms of hydrogen, 1 atom of sulfur, 4 atoms of oxygen. So atomic masses of all the atoms has to be added. So first hydrogen, its atomic mass is 1, 2 hydrogen atoms are there. So 1 into 2 plus sulfur atomic mass is 32. So 32 into 1. Then oxygen atomic mass is 16. 4 oxygen atoms are there. So here 2 plus 1 into 2, 2, 32 plus 16 into 4, 64. That is equal to 98 gram. This has to be substituted in the previous formula, number of gram molecules equal to mass of the substance we don't know, mass of the substance divided by molecular mass. That is equal to, in the question it is given 1.5 gram molecules. 1.5 gram molecules equal to mass of the substance we have to find out, divided by molecular mass is 98 gram. So mass of the substance equal to 1.5 into 98, that is equal to 147.0 gram. The last question, calculate the actual mass of one molecule of carbon dioxide. What is mean by actual mass? Actual mass in grams. That is actual mass. How can we convert the AMU, mass in AMU unit, into grams? So, molecular mass of carbon dioxide, molecular mass of carbon dioxide equal to 44 AMU. We have known 1 AMU equal to 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 gram. So 44 AMU equal to 44 into 1.66 into 10 power minus 24 gram. If we multiply, we will be getting 73.04 into these two. If we multiply, we will be getting 73.04 into 10 power minus 24 gram. If we write the answer by using scientific notation, we will be getting 7.304 into 10 power minus 23 gram. I think you would have understood how to use the formulas in atomic and molecular masses related questions. Thank you.